In.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. You talk about fish biting, folks. The fish were biting everywhere today. No doubt about that. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Love is unconditional. And love, there are no conditions. You love for no reason with no justification. You are free to be who you are, and you allow others to be what they are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 303, Nasdaq's up 78, S&Ps are up 31, gold contract down $4.20, trading at $12.4970. Silver down a penny at $18.45. Platinum down $9, $1,014 an ounce. Copper up 2 pennies at $2.72 a pound. Light sweet crude down 25 cents, trading at $53.76 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 26 ticks, 123.24. 30-year bond off a full 2 points plus 1 tick, 149.20. King dollar up 636 ticks, 101.765, and it needed that 765, folks. The number that it needed was 101.750, so it's over that swing. Euro is at 105, and the yen is trading at 113.67. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You're up $3.27. You did 125 million shares. You took out a B point of an ABC structure on the way up. And, you know, you had light volume up here, and volume come in today, so you took out the B point. Your A point on this is 228.31. Your B point is 236.90. So what is it? 2 lows, 228. Okay, so 228. Yeah, you get $8. And that's saying we're 239, 243 is the number. Pretty intense, 243. And right now you're at 239. We take a look at the Dow Industrials, and let's go look at the volume first in the Dow. So if we see what type of volume you got. Okay, so we got 1 billion, and let's go take a look at the Dow. Dow Industrials are at 21,115, and same setup there. That's going to be, let's see. So your A point on this is 20,015, so let's call it 20,000. You get 800 approximately, which would get you 25.30. So bottom line is that this market can go up another 300 points just finishing the ABC structure on the way up. Composite, NASDAQ Composite, it's going to be the same type of setup. Let me see what the volume is inside the Composite right now. Composite did 2.1 billion, so yeah, the Composite also is going to be an ABC structure up, pretty intense. The Composite numbers would go like this. And this is the conservative way of doing it, too. I mean, I'm going to take the smallest one. So you get 56.49 to 58. Yeah, you get $200. That gets you into 6,000. Right now, you're at 5,900. NDX 100. Let's take a look at the NDX 100. Same setup in the NDX. The 3 Qs. The A point on this is 120. That's what 124 we're going to call it. I'm ballparking these, folks. $6, which get you 135. And right now we're at 131.44. That's pretty intense. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, bottom line, folks, they can't drive it lower. It rejected lower price out here today. Got down to, if you haven't test drove the TAS market profile, go do it, folks. Come to our website at TFNN. Come right down into it. I'm in Mr. John Logan. We were talking about it. He was talking about it specifically this morning. That profile was set up at that 1236 area. Gets down to 1237.20. Says, see ya, don't want to be ya. Ends up at 1249. You have 2 separate ABC structures on the way up. And bottom line, gold wants higher price, as does silver. You take a look at the silver market. Bottom line, got down to a price point of, let's see, SIK. Silver got down to a price point today of $18.27. Didn't want to stay there, ends up at 1845, has 76,000 contracts traded. Silver continues to push into these swings with volume. Silver wants to get up to 1906. The amazing thing about this, too, is that it's not like the bonds, went downtown. Well, the bonds did go downtown, which, is bad for the gold market. But bottom line, this metal wants higher price. If we do go over to that bond market right now, what you're going to see is this. We take a look at the 10-year first. So what happened, the 10-year came back to 123.19. We closed at 123.24. You did 1.5 million contracts. Now, that's light volume because what's going on is that you went into 2.3 million contracts. So bottom line is that we'll see if, in fact, this gets some juice going topside once again tomorrow. Because what we have out here now, since the lows in December, is that you have you have 3 higher lows, and you have 3 higher highs inside the bond market. So even in the context that it looks that rates are going up, what we still have is that you still have the 30-year rate at 2.45, when the high for the year, on the high for the last 3 months, has been 2.597, which is pretty incredible, actually, by the way. It just is. And when I say incredible, what I'm talking about, folks, is that you would think that the bonds would have got killed more than that with a market that's this high. 30-year, now the 30-year, different ballgame. 30-year come down 2 points. Didn't break its swing low, but you had volume in it, 363,000. So 30-year has some work to do. King dollar. Let's go over to King dollar. What you have with King dollar is this. King dollar closed out at the price point of 101,765, and that is over the last swing high. It is giving it up. This 101,750, folks, is the number where it keeps getting sold off from. That swing high, it sold off on February 15th. It sold off on February 21st. It sold off on February 23rd. So bottom line, we'll see whether that can hang over that by that 15 ticks, overnight. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back. A bunch of numbers are coming out after the close. 877-927-6648. We'll be right back.
TFNN has just launched a special event in Tampa with Tom O'Brien taking place March 18th, sponsored by Nadex. Tom O'Brien will be presenting 2 workshops for a combined 2.5 hours of education, bisecting and dissecting his best-selling book, The Art of Timing the Trade, Your Ultimate Trading Mastery System. March 18th kicks off with a continental breakfast as we get everyone checked in, and that is followed by 2 75-minute workshops with Tom O'Brien. The first workshop from 8:45 until 10 a.m. will cover quality volume, cause and effect, and ABC structures, and the second workshop from 10:15 until 11:30 a.m. will cover swing points, testing, and the Tiger Gartley. Tom will then wrap things up with a question and answer session, which will be followed by a Tiger Luncheon Social on the rooftop of the Westin Hotel. The best part is that it's all free, but you must register to attend. Visit the front page of TFNN.com for all the details and to sign up today, and we hope to see you in Tampa on March 18th.